What is going on, traders, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad to have you. On this channel, I'll go over key levels and catalysts that I'm focusing on, along with a watch list of stock tickers that I may trade. In this video, I'll be going over my watch list for the trading week of March 27, 2023. Let's get to it. Okay, first up, the catalyst. We have quite a few economic reports coming out this week, but I'll be paying the most attention to the home price index that's coming out on Tuesday and the consumer sentiment report that comes out on Friday. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this week's earnings calendar. All right, as you can see, we have plenty of small caps reporting this week, but the tickers that I'll be watching is Biontech, which is the parent company of Pfizer. I'll also be watching Walgreens, Lululemon, and Micron. All right, let's go ahead and get started with the watch list. All right, first up is Biontech, a biotechnology company that focuses on developing and manufacturing immunotherapies for cancer and infectious disease. The company was founded in 2008 and has its headquarters in Germany. Now, Biontech is best known for its work on the development of the COVID-19 vaccine, which was created in collaboration with Pfizer. The vaccine is based on a new technology called messenger RNA, and has been shown to be highly effective at preventing COVID-19 infections. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at its chart. All right, so here we have Biontech, ticker symbol Bntx, pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now, the company reports earnings before the market opens on Monday, and right now the stock is sitting around $128. Now, looking at this chart here, you can see since January of 2022, we've been moving up and down in this range here between $118 and $183. Now, with their earnings coming up and it's sitting close to the bottom of this, I'll be looking for the bearish scenario on this one. But first, let's talk about the bullish. If they report good numbers and good guidance and it stays above $118, I'm looking for it to run right back up to around $183. But that's not the side that I'm looking to play on this one. I'm looking to play the bearish scenario. If they report bad numbers and it cannot hold this 118, and if you look left here, you can see the last few times that it got to 118, we had a nice bounce here, here, and here. But if for some reason they can't hold 118, I'm looking for it to drop down to around a 101.50. And if it can't hold that, down to a 83.50. Now, when it comes down here, I'm looking for it to do a nice recovery right back up to around $118. Certainly faster than it would take for it to get up to around 183. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is Lululemon, a Canadian athletic apparel retailer that designs and sells high-quality stylish athletic wear for women and men. Founded in 1998, the company is known for its Luon fabric, which is a combination of polyester and lycra that is stretchy, moisture-wicking, and breathable. Lululemon operates over 500 retail stores worldwide. Let's go ahead and take a look at its chart. All right, so here we have Lululemon, ticker symbol LULU, zoomed in on the 4-hour time frame. Now, the company reports earnings after the market closes on Tuesday, and right now the stock is sitting around $313.50. Now, in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to get above $314. And if it can, the first level I'm looking for it to test is $319.30. If it can get above that, $325.30. If it can get above that, $330. Now, if it can get above $330, I'm looking for it to run all the way up to the bottom of this gap around $349. Now, on the bearish side, if Lululemon cannot get above $314, the first level I'm looking for it to test is around $293.30. Now, if it can't hold this level, it could possibly fall all the way down to around $250. And if we look left here, last time it hit $250, it had a nice push up right back up to $293. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is Micron, an American multinational corporation that produces and sells computer memory and storage devices. The company was founded in 1978 and has its headquarters in Boise, Idaho. Now, Micron is one of the largest memory manufacturers in the world and produces a variety of memory and storage products for use in personal computers, data centers, mobile devices, and other applications. Let's take a look at its chart. All right, so here we have Micron, ticker symbol MU, zoomed in on the 4-hour time frame. Now, the company reports earnings after the market closes on Tuesday, and right now the stock is sitting around $61. Now, in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to hold $61. And if it can, the first level that I'm looking for it to test is $62.50. If it gets above that, all the way up to around $65.25. Now, on the bearish side, if Micron cannot hold $61, I'm looking for it to drop down to around 59. And if it can't hold that, down to around 57. If it can't hold that, down to around 53.25. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. And the last one we're going to look at today is Meta Platforms, a social media and technology company that owns Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Message. Meta's revenue primarily comes from advertising on its platforms, but has also been investing in virtual and augmented reality. Let's take a look at its chart. All right, so here we have Meta Platforms, ticker symbol META, pulled up on the 4-hour time frame. Now, for those of you who haven't had time to keep up with the social media news, there's been a big political push to ban TikTok. And in my opinion, one of the companies that would benefit from such a ban would be Meta Platforms and Facebook. So that's the reason that I'm watching this one. And with the stock sitting at $206 and they do go through with the ban, I'm looking for Meta to go on a run. So in the bullish scenario, if Meta can stay above $205, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around $224.50. If it gets above that, up to around $237.50. Now on the bearish side, they come to some kind of agreement where they won't ban TikTok. I'm looking for Meta to sell off. And in that scenario, if it can't hold $205, the first level I'm looking for it to test is around $196.25. If it can't hold that, down to around $183.75. Okay, so keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. And that is the end of the video. If you found value, smash that like button and please consider subscribing to the channel. I set up a website at blazestocks.com where I post my videos, screenshots of stocks that didn't make the video, along with personal finance articles. Check it out and bookmark it when you get a chance. Now here's wishing you a prosperous week of trading, and until next week, talk to you later.